You must have seen channels like this where they explain and spoil popular movies. Basically, this type of video explains and reviews the whole movie. But did you know you can monetize and earn more than $5,000 a month from a channel like this? According to Social Blade, this channel is making more than $5,000 a month. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step process to make a movie recap video without getting any copyright claims. So without any further delay, let's get started. Let me explain the steps that we're going to follow. First, we need to find the movie and summarize its plot in an interesting way. Think of it like telling a story. Then we need to make voiceovers. For that, I will be using ElevenLabs AI. Third step is to edit the movie. This is the most important part of the video, so don't miss that. The movie that I'm going to select is The Nun. It was released in 2018. I've already watched the movie, and I have a clear idea about the plot of this movie. Now let's go to IMDb website and search for the movie name. Here is our movie. Click on the movie and scroll down till you find the plot synopsis. We are not going to use the same plot synopsis. We will make it more interesting. For that, we will be using ChatGPT. Copy this movie synopsis, and let's head over to ChatGPT. So I have pasted the plot synopsis copied from IMDb website and asked ChatGPT to rewrite the synopsis in an interesting and thrilling way. As you can see here, ChatGPT will generate an amazing script for this movie. So our first step is done. Now we need to make the voiceovers. Let's go to ElevenLabs. Now in the settings, you can select a suitable voice for your video. I have selected Josh Deep Voice, as you can see. After selecting the voice, copy the script that we created using ChatGPT and generate the voiceovers for our video. After you generate all the voiceovers, let's move on to the final step, which is video editing. Just follow all my steps till the end, or your video will get a copyright claim. We are going to use Canva for the editing part. Log into Canva and click on Create a Design. Choose design size. I am going to use video size of 1920 by 1820 as I'm going to create YouTube video. You can choose any size of your choice. A blank canvas will open. Go to Upload section and upload the movie which we downloaded from the internet. Don't use movie clips from YouTube, else you may get copyright on your video. Choose the movie to add to the blank canvas. Then we need to flip the movie. Then select the canvas and click on Edit Video and choose Adjust option to adjust the color effects to the video. You can select a suitable color effect and use it on your video. Now comes the most important part in the whole editing process. Do this exactly as I said. Add the voiceovers that we created using ElevenLabs to the timeline. You need to cut the video into different parts. Remember, each clip part should be up to 3 seconds. Don't exceed this limit. If you exceed this limit, you will get a copyright claim. Now, add a video transition effect in between these cuts by clicking here. Select any transitions and click Apply between all pages, and the transition will be automatically added to all the slides. Also, you can add steady images of the movie here and there, and then add suitable copyright-free background music. After you complete the video, export and upload it to YouTube. But never use the actual movie name and titles in description. See you in the next one.